Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Almighty, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, students. This is Ashfaq Aman Memun, lecturer in English from Government Sachal Sarmas Degree College, Ranipur. This college is one of the prestigious colleges of Sindh. The institute has been running under the dynamic and dedicated principal Professor Maman Atar Anjra. Dear students and parents, unfortunately, the entire world has been suffering in painful pandemic disease of COVID-19. The disease has halted every activity of people, particularly academic loss of students, and it seems stand still. I am also highly appreciate the effective initiatives and arrangement taken by College Education Department, Government of Sindh for launching this educational channel, Sindh College Lecturer on YouTube. Kindly subscribe and try to make the most of it. Dear students, the topic on which I am delivering is conditional tenses or conditional sentences or if classes. It is taken from class first year from prose section exercise number 20 and 21. The topic, the conditional sentences have two parts, if class and main class. Both parts can be written vice versa with the discrimination of comma. If class requires condition while main class requires result. For example, if it does not rain, we shall have a picnic. We can written the same sentence in this way. We shall have a picnic if it does not rain. In order to understand this topic, the order of the tenses in these sentences is important. Conditional sentences are four types of conditional sentences. They are classified according to their specific implications. Each type of conditional sentences uses different tenses to show the different in their implications. As I have told you, conditional sentences has two types, if clause and main clause. These sentences are in two halves, I mean clauses. The if part called if clauses, the other part where you can use words such as can, will, might, could, would, that would be considered main clause which give results in that sentence as mentioned in the sentences. If you come with me, I will buy an ice cream. There are four types of conditional sentences: zero type, type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay, guys, this is the main structure of sentence, and I would say this is the gist point of conditional sentences. You may take a screenshot of this page to understand accordingly. Zero type, see from the structure, it has two tenses used in if clause, simple present, and in main class, simple present, and it shows something as the fact or general truth or scientific reason. If you boil water, it evaporates in the air. Second type has the same two parts or halves. If class carries simple present while main class carries future simple. If you work hard, you will succeed in your examination. Type 2. If class carries past simple while main class takes would plus infinitive, I mean first form of verb. If I had £1,000,000, I would probably buy a yacht. Type 3 has also two halves or parts. If class carries past perfect, while main class carries would have and third form or past participle. If I had been a doctor, I would have treated the patient freely or free of cost. First of all, zero type. Zero conditional sentence is structure used for talking about general truths, things which always happen under certain conditions. The zero conditional is used to talk about things which are always true, scientific truths, general truths, universal truth, or ripened experience from the persons and got a true result from them. For example, when it rains, the grass gets wet. If it does not rain, the grass does not get wet. Note that the most zero conditional sentence start with when and if is equal to when. When is used instead of if in this zero type. Next is type 1. In this kind of sentence is structure used for talking about probability or possibility in the present or in the future. The first conditional is used to talk about things which are possible and probable in the present or the future is things which may happen. For example, if you take part in declamation, you will get prize. Or unless you work hard, you won't get reward. Here I would add one information that when you use unless, that would be is equal to if not, or if not is equal to unless in if clause sentence. Check these sentences according to the rule. Here is another type of conditional sentence called type 2 or second conditional sentence. It is a structure used for talking about unreal situations in the present or in the future. The second conditional sentence is used to express an imaginary present or improbable future situation, not true, not possible in present or future, as things which do not or won't happen. For example, if I found her address, I would send her an invitation. If I ate this cake, I would get fat. Or if we took the car, we would have to pay for parking. Check it yourself. Type 3. Third conditional sentence is a structure used for talking about unreal situations in the past. The third conditional is used to talk about things which did not happen in the past. It can be very useful as it could be often used to express criticism or regret. For example, if we had gone earlier, we would have had better weather. If you had worked hard, you would have succeeded in your examination. If I had been a doctor, I would have treated the patients free of cost. These sentences reflects the expression of criticism or regret. Check it yourself. Dear student, here are a few sentences in shape of MCQs from four conditional sentences. Try to solve them and find one suitable answer from these questions. Thank you very much.